What's up, Ratan? Short update. What is happening right now with Bitcoin? Let's go into charts and watch what happened so far. So, if I'm putting out the EMA ribbon, I told you the last days. I told you yesterday, I think was, in the yesterday's video, yes. I told you we see this EMA ribbon. We were inside the EMA ribbon. I told you if we break above the EMA ribbon with a clear sign of volume, we can make a long position and we will go to 43,500. So congratulations to everyone who took this trade and won. The other side, I told you, if we clearly break this level for 42,000, we will see Bitcoin further dump. So what is now? I told you today in the morning, I think that Bitcoin will consolidate or dump. Why? Because we saw clearly we were overbought on the 4-hourly and even more on the 1-hourly, right? So therefore, it was clear that we will see some consolidation or dump side, right? So we see right now consolidation. What I'm expecting right now for Bitcoin, in my opinion, not financial advice, do your own research. If you don't do your own research, you lose all your money, guys. So in my opinion, and I show you also my trades, by the way, so bear here with me. In my opinion, we have two options right now. So on the 4-hourly, either if we break under the EMA ribbon again, if we break clearly under the EMA ribbon again with a clear volume, right, selling volume, there's a potential trade. We can short till 40,200 approximately. Take your profits before, so it's 5.6%. It's on 10x leverage 56%, on 5x leverage 25%, right, approximately. So this is the downside, right, which I would only short if we under the EMA ribbon, if I weren't now in the short. I'm already in the short, right? So this is to the downside. To the upside, I would only make a long position if we clearly break above 45,000. If we clearly break with the 4-hourly candle closing and with clear volume. Also, I would watch, if I'm watching for a long position, I would watch this, just a moment. I would watch this head and shoulders, invert head and shoulders, shoulder, head, shoulder, right? And we have this neckline because we have here clear resistance. If we are clearly break this neckline with a clear volume and the daily closes above the neckline, then the price target is 55,900, right? But we have to close a clearly daily above this neckline. Right. Also, we have to watch the level at 48,500 approximately, because 48,500 will be huge resistance. You see here resistance, support. Right. So please be here very careful. And this we see not only here, we see at the 48,500. Also here clear resistance area. Right. So please be very careful here. Right now, it don't seem, but it's still 3 hours left, but it don't seems that we will break this neckline on the daily, right? So please be here very, very careful. I would wait personally if we see a clear decision in the market like we saw here, right? So I wouldn't jump right now into a trade, in my opinion, if you're not in a trade, until we either break under the EMA ribbon for shorting Bitcoin, or above 45,000 with clear volume and 4-hourly at least candle to a long position, right? So not financial advice, do your own research, guys. If you want to claim your bonus at 8,200 for free after initial deposit, 1-minute registration, go link down below, the first comment, which is paint. Please be very careful with leverage trading. If you use leverage and you're not professional trader, you will lose all your money. Please keep in mind, guys, keep in mind, be only professional trader. If you're not professional, buy just through spot blood. So Now also let's I show you also my trades. I am right now minus 27%. I'm still in my position. I'm still not ranked because I'm professional trader, bratans, and also it's a calculated risk. Very important. Don't just repeat my trades. Do your own research. Make your own risk. This is very important risk management. I am still expecting that we will see another dump, right? So if we're watching on Ethereum, just a moment, we see here, and this is what I wanted to share with you. We see here a huge ascending wedge, right? It's called ascending broadening wedge, right? And this is a bearish pattern. So if this works out, you see the first price target is the bottom of the wedge, and the second target, I show you how to measure it. So the first price target, if we break this support line, would be just a moment. The first price target would be 2,500, and if we break further down, so it all depends on Bitcoin. You measure from the top to the bottom. The second price target would be, just a moment, approximately at 2,000. It's not so correct, like here, 2,100 approximately. So we would create a new lower low. But what it depends on, it depends clearly on Bitcoin. If we see on Bitcoin, in the Bitcoin price, on the daily, if we are watching this inverse head and shoulders working out, we clear breaking up here, we will see a huge jump. A huge pump, right? So then we will see also this breaking up, and I wanted to show you also the bullish pattern, because on the daily we see a bullish pattern, right? So this is in the midterm. This is what we could see, and you see here. So the price target, the bullish price target, if Bitcoin flies, just a moment, let me show. It would be approximately, oh shit, the price tag would be 4,300. But before we break this this resistance line, we could still see here a dump on this ascending broadening wedge, right? So guys, please have this in mind. I still watching more Bitcoin, even though I am an Ethereum trade, because if Bitcoin dump, we see even a bigger dump on Ethereum. If Bitcoin pump, we see even a bigger pump on Ethereum, right? So this is what I'm watching, and we could see still here a dump to 2,800, right? So on the daily, it would look like 2,100 approximately, right? We will see dump here, and after it break up. But it all depends. It all depends on Bitcoin, right? So please here be careful. Again, a short summary, because it was a little bit messy. We have here this big inverse head and shoulders. If we clearly break and close the daily above this neckline, we could go the technical price like 55,900, but take profits at 48,500, right? Because we will have here big resistance. On the 4-hourly, if we are watching, if we are breaking the EMA ribbon to the downside, right here, to the downside, we could set here a short position with the price target of at least 4,100, because we have here support line, 5.2%, right? So I hope you understand it, guys. We saw today a good news. The morning, it was some Russian forces near Ukraine returned to the base, but throughout the day we saw again bad news, because Biden don't trust it, blah blah blah, and all this shit. So keep in mind, please, the news, I have an eye on it, and I think it's really clearly where there are possibilities for long or a short position. I'm still in my short position because I'm still expecting, because of this huge conflict and this interest rates, that we see another dump, right? But it could be also nobody knows that we have tomorrow, like today in the morning, all the news, they signed the contract and everything is fine and the interest rates will not increase until December 2022, and then we will see a huge pump, and it would be even better because then my portfolio and your portfolio going up. But right now it not seems very good, right? So please, and also see difference between day trader and swing trader. I'm more swing trader, so I still expecting a dump according to the news, according to technicals. Therefore, I'm still in my short position, right? If you're a day trader, right, you can use this like I showed you. If you're breaking above EMA ribbon, you could use this long position, and some of you make huge profits on that. So you can throughout the day trade, right, the course. So yes, please keep in mind, and don't use too much leverage, guys. This is very important, because if you use too much leverage, you get wrecked. And also do your own research and learn trading before you set any trade, guys, please. We have many professional trader in our group, but there are sometimes common people who are losing their money, and it's so stupid, guys. It's really stupid if you don't know anything and jumping into trades. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. So guys, to all the professional traders, claim your bonus at 8,200 in bonus after initial deposit. Even though if you already are registered on Bybit on Phoenix, you can go and make a new account and transfer initial deposit and then claim bonus 8,200. If you're not professional, you can also claim your bonus 8,200 after initial deposit, 1 minute registration, but don't use leverage. I say again, if you're not professional trader, don't use leverage. You will lose all your money. Guys, I'm very tired. I see you in the morning. I hope you get some new information. It is valuable information, but I hope you understand and watch the whole video. I kiss you. I see you in the morning. Mwah.